Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of Widyos, which launched on the 19th of June at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this all-in-one video assets vault from Nishant Sharma, which is basically a way to power up your videos with this brand new all-in-one mega video assets vault for 10 times results. So it's giving you a load and loads of things that you can use to create stunning videos, whether that is great backgrounds, great graphics, great animation, everything that you can think of really to create a stunning video without you having to appear in it yourself, or even if you do want to appear in it yourself, ways to enhance it. So it's a really good pack, it's a really good value pack. So if this sounds like it's something that's of interest to you, then listen on to this review video. I'll also be going through the custom bonuses that I've put together if you decide to pick up Widyos from the link immediately underneath this review video. I've put together 5 custom bonuses, and you can get them if you click on any of these green buttons here before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they will expire. As usual, folks, I don't want that to happen because, as I've said, they're custom bonuses, which means that they're exclusive to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of Widyos, because remember, you can always come back to this page, back to this YouTube video, when you realise that the bonuses that I'm offering are way better, and indeed way more likely for you to succeed with Widyos than what anyone else is offering. So what is this product? Well, attention video marketers, the solution to your never-ending video graphics need has arrived. Power up your videos with this brand new all-in-one mega video assets vault for 10 times results. These are literally the last video graphics you will ever pay for. Watch the video below to unlock the video assets vault. So this is the sales video, which isn't on my bonus page, so you should watch it here. See if it's going to load up and play.
In the past few years, we all have witnessed the evolution of videos on the internet.
All right, so I'll let you watch that in your own time, folks, but do watch this sales video because, as I said, it isn't on my bonus page. Now, these points here are actually covered on the page, so let's just head over there and check out my bonuses. So when you land on the page, as I said, from clicking underneath, you'll come here and you'll see this video that I'm just recording now. What is Widyos all about? Well, it's a way to stand out from the crowd, to dominate your competition by making better quality videos using Widyos. Never fall short of fresh, creative, ready-to-use graphics for your outstanding ideas. Get more sales and leads by being unique. Break the template boundaries of other video softwares. Go beyond your imagination to power your ideas. Never buy another graphic asset online. Works for every niche present online. Give a complete new life to your content. Use it for clients' projects using our special commercial license, which is included on the front end. No need to save 280 gigabyte data files to your hard drive. Low one-time fees, and stop paying monthly for video template clubs because everything you need is here. And there's a demo video of Widyos which you should watch on my bonus page by clicking the button. Very short and sweet. Sorry, it's my computer speed's not good today, folks, for some reason, so apologies for the loading times. It's my fault. Okay, folks, so here are the bonuses that I'm going to throw in. So the first thing I'm going to throw in is this video marketing masterclass. Okay, so it's great to have the tools at your disposal. Now you need to know how to put them together. So this 1.5 hour masterclass is going to give you all the secrets, all the inside gen on how to make really high quality HD videos that convert and earn you money. All right. The second bonus that I'm going to throw in is my YouTube traffic masterclass. Again, it's about 1.5 hours long, and it will teach you everything you need to know about both paid and free traffic using YouTube. The third bonus I'm going to put in is this great course from Brennan Mason, John O. Armstrong, called the Fuego Multiplier. What this tells you how to do is how to retarget people that come to see your content on YouTube but don't end up buying? Well, it's a way that you can effectively stalk them around the internet until they do decide to buy your product, all legal and ethical. The fourth bonus I'm going to throw in is this great course from Jonas Lindgren. He is a Scandinavian marketer, and he developed this course which uses video marketing. He calls it a lazy method because Jonas is someone who likes the good life and doesn't want to spend too much time on affiliate and internet marketing, and he will show you exactly how he has scaled things up to now earn about $10,000 a month. And finally, a new bonus from me this week, this social media masterclass. Again, this is about an hour and a half of content going through all of the main social media networks and how to utilize and monetize them. So they are my custom bonuses that I'm throwing in. As I said, you won't be able to get these anywhere else. So let's head back over to the sales page. By the way, I'm going to take you into the members area. I should have mentioned this earlier, folks, but this is the members area at Widyos. So we will go through the members area here at Widyos very shortly. Okay, so we've gone through these main points, and as usual, you would expect on a sales page, there's lots of testimonials, income proofs, and so on. So I'll let you wade through those. But how it works with this product, you basically choose any template from the alphabetically categorized graphic asset vault. You preview your graphics from mobile or desktop, and then one-click download and customize as per your requirement. Usual stats about, we all know how video is successful this year and how you can't do without it. There's the same demo video. This is what you're going to get, folks. 40,000 plus hand-picked royalty-free video assets, 3,000 plus HD videos, 750 plus 4K Ultra HD videos, 10,000 plus animated graphics and icons, 1,500 plus audio tracks, 1,500 motion backgrounds, 3,000 plus clip arts, 15,000 plus icons, SVG and PNGs, 300 plus whiteboard characters. You can use them in unlimited video projects, even on the front end, and there's an unlimited commercial license, providing you take the main version rather than the light version. But as I'll show you in a minute, the price is effectively the same. So let us have a quick look in, well, they're the upsells. We'll have a look at those in a minute. So this is the page that you'll land on, and we just click on this button here to go to the Widyos main page, which is going to load up in a minute. Okay, so this is our vault basically. So we work our way through here and choose whatever we want. So let's just say we want the 4K Ultra HD Widyos. We just click on this View Now button here, and this will open a page. As I said, apologies for the loading time. It is my computer. It's not anything to do with the product. For some reason, my super fast or fiber optic broadband, as it's supposed to be, isn't that fiber or optic today. I think it needed an extra bowl. All right, so then we get, so all of our 4K videos are here, and we can have a look and see what we want. So let's say we want a beach 4K video as our background. So we click on this button here. And as I said, apologies with these loading time, folks. I know it's making it a little bit slow. There we go, it's loading now. And there we go. So these are all our backgrounds that we can choose from. So we can play any of these, have a look at them, but these are all of our potential beach backgrounds that we can use for our videos. And then if we want to look, let's just have a look at one more category. I think you get the idea here. In fact, can I go back to home? I think I should be able to. Yeah, let's just have a quick look. Okay, so let's go back to the home page and choose another category. So let's say we want motion backgrounds. So let's click on this button here. High quality motion backgrounds. Again, click here to access the files. This will bring up a list. So whether we want animations or motion video backgrounds or animated, let's have a look at motion animations. So let's click on that button there. And we will see all of these load up onto the page. And again, we can choose exactly what we want for our animation background. I actually quite like these candles right at the top. Where have they gone? Just in that top corner there. There we go. Yeah, quite like the look of that one, folks, actually. Very good for a festive one, actually, isn't it? Look at that. It's pretty good. There's another Christmassy one down there, actually. But, yeah, obviously have a look at all of these, folks. And, you know, there's loads and loads to choose from. This is just one subcategory from all of that content. So, as I said, I'm not going to go through, obviously, everything that's there, but you hopefully get the idea. So there's just a confirmation there of those beach videos again, and there's lots of categories, as you can see, to choose from. So some more examples here on the main sales page. So again, you've got examples of the HD videos, the Ultra HD 4K, the animated graphics, the clip arts, the icons, the audio tracks, the motion backgrounds, which we were just looking at, the animated ones. These are the non-animated whiteboard characters. It works with all types of software. And this is the front end price. So it's $27, folks, because if we come down here, you will see, by the way, these are the vendors bonuses. So 450 plus exclusive character graphics, the first bonus, exclusive big bundle of live footage videos, the second bonus, and animated popover window generator is the third vendor bonus. So you see there's a light and an advanced. Now the light is 24, folks, yeah, but there's a coupon that you can use for the advanced. This is the one with the commercial rights. So if you use this coupon code, go early, you just need to type that when you click through to buy now. It'll ask you to enter the coupon code. So just put in here, go early, yeah, lowercase, and then you'll get $3 off. So it's exactly the same price. So why would you take the light version? There's obviously no need to. So as long as you can still see this coupon code here, it means that's still available. And even if it isn't, it's worth paying the extra $3, isn't it, really, to get all of that additional content. So that is the product, folks. Does what it says on the tin. I suppose I use that phrase a little bit too often, but it's true in this case. So let's have a look at the upgrades. So the first upgrade, Widyos Ultimate, you can also get for $27 at the moment. And that will give you an extra 60,000 HD images, an awesome cloud-based image editing tool, 2,500 cut-out people's PNG images, a 25,000 plus vector graphics bundle, 18,000 animated icons, 15,000 plus static icons, and 8,000 plus GIFs. Again, you can use that in unlimited projects for commercial or personal. The next upsell is Click Kosh, which was a product that these guys sold earlier in the year. With this, you can create interactive shoppable brochures, interactive shoppable e-magazines, and interactive shoppable catalogs. So if you're into e-commerce, then you will definitely want this upsell. And finally, the reseller rights, which are $67. And that is pretty much it, folks. It's a nice product. If you like video and you want to create unique content easily, without having to do lots of graphic stuff yourself, then you're going to love this. And if you want all of these extra bonuses, all you need to do is click on the green button here. That will bring you through to the main sales page. Go and choose your commercial license, and remember to use this Go Early coupon to get the $3 discount. Click Buy Now, and then that will bring you back into the members area at JV Zoo, this one, folks. And that will bring you into a receipt page like this. Click on the green button at JV Zoo to access your copy of Widyos, and click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. And that, folks, is all there is to it. All that remains then is for me to thank you as ever for listening and watching this review video. Your presence is always welcome. And we're going to give this a rating, which is 4 out of 5 stars for our Elite Tigers Group rating. Thanks for listening and watching. This has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Widyos.